So let's pick this one. So this comment is coming from Federico Frisina. Federico, I can see you commenting a lot on my channel. Thank you very much for the support. Federico says, do you suggest to use a CBO and then one ad set for each lookalike in order to compete each other? Example, 3% purchase, 3% video views, 3% website visitors. Let me answer that. Okay, so here we are having a CBO campaign and different ad sets, okay? The question here is not how many ad sets, but what to put inside the ad sets. Yes, you can use different lookalikes like 3%, 3%, 3%. You can use 5%, 5%, 5% in different ad sets with different objectives, purchase, initiate checkout, add to cart, whatever you want. The other option that we're having here is that you can put stacked lookalikes. For example, you can put a lot of 5% lookalikes, a lot of 1% lookalikes, a lot of 3% lookalikes. I have a video about stacked lookalikes and how they work. If your pixel is good enough, you can go to crazy method, because after you are going to do that and you're going to have one successful, then you can scale it. If you take this one ad set that has, for example, 5% stacked lookalikes and it's working well, duplicate it in a new campaign and run it with a crazy method. That way you will be able to scale and you will be able to run more efficiently your CBO campaign. Thank you very much for all the support and the questions. If you want to learn more about Facebook ads, check my free course, check my book, and until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.